should have been a normal evening drive, a motorcyclist's life is changed in an instant after a black Chevy Silverado suddenly pulls out directly in front of him. The violent collision sends the rider flying while the truck speeds away from the scene, nearly causing another head-on crash as it flees through the neighborhood. As frantic 911 calls begin pouring in, officers rush to save the critically injured victim while simultaneously searching for the driver responsible. But once police locate the suspect, the investigation quickly turns chaotic as excuses, contradictions, and signs of intoxication begin to unfold on body cam footage.
Are you a nurse?
I am.
Hey, boss, what's your name?
Can you tell us your name?
Jackson.
Jackson.
Jackson what?
I can't breathe.
We're going to get that helmet off in just a second. We got to stabilize your neck first. That's really important, okay? So in the meantime, I just need you to take a couple deep breaths for me. Upstairs.
Where'd she go?
Hey, don't move, Jackson.
Just don't move, okay?
Jackson.
I know, you're doing great.
Keep your legs still.
You're doing really good, okay?
I can't breathe.
I know.
Jackson, stay still.
Helmet on.
They're here and they're going to help us take the helmet off. We can't take it off just yet.
She's on foot.
Take some slow, deep breaths in through your nose. Can you squeeze my hand? Try not to move. Good job. They're here. We're gonna get that helmet off.
Can you move this hand a little? 133 to whatever unit's going to arrive on scene next. We need pictures ASAP. I'm with
I know,
unit 2.
Jackson. I need you to sit still, okay?
Hey, stop, please. Straight behind your back. Your hands behind your back.
It's not me. It's
Not you, it's who? Huh? Come on.
Is he up? Yeah, he's awake. He's breathing. Okay.
What's your name?
Elizabeth. My husband just driving.
Elizabeth?
My husband just ran to his house. My house.
Okay.
I was not driving.
Okay. Come on.
We're about to drive this car. They good? The driver took off on foot. My other officer has her apprehended right now. Okay.
We need to try and stabilize his neck so we can get this helmet off.
Who are you?
I'm a nurse. I just pulled up.
Okay.
So I've been trying to stabilize his neck and trying to keep him not moving as much as I can.
Is he talking?
Yeah, he's talking.
Jackson,
His
stay
name's
still.
Jackson. You want to take my spot?
Yep, slide over for me. Squeeze my hand for me, man.
Why are you making me run?
Because my husband was driving the scene and he knew I was going to get in trouble.
Right.
All right? Right what?
I just said right. I acknowledged you.
My husband was driving.
Okay.
Jackson, can you hear me? I need you to stay perfectly still. Do you understand?
What happened?
You got hit. You got hit by a car. Okay, Jackson, I need you to say you understand. I need you to stay still. All right? We're trying to cut stuff off of you, and I do not want you to get cut. Stay perfectly still.
I just called my husband and I asked why he ran.
Okay.
That's all. That's all.
Come on.
All right. You got the wrong person.
Okay.
Did anyone see the crash? You saw it. I need you to stay. You stay, you stay, you stay, and you stay.
My husband, I'm sorry, he ran the scene, he hit somebody.
Okay.
What is okay?
I said I hear you. Okay.
My husband ran.
Stop talking. I don't care right now.
Mike!
Let's go.
Mike! Mike! My husband.
I heard you.
Then why don't you believe me?
Because everybody said that they saw a white female, green shirt, running from the vehicle. Guess what? You're a white female, wearing a green shirt.
I was the passenger.
Have a seat.
I was the passenger.
Have a seat.
I was the passenger.
Get your arms in.
My husband was the driver.
Okay.
No, go ahead.
Stop. I'm not playing this game.
I'm
So what'd you see?
I saw her pull up and she whipped it down the cul-de-sac real
Okay.
quick, and I'm like, okay, maybe it's just someone going down there. And then I didn't think anything of it. Well, then I saw her out here pacing, and I looked at her. I said, holy shit. I
Was
said,
there anybody else with her?
She was by herself.
Okay.
Yeah,
And that's definitely her that I walked back up with the green shirt.
Because she started to walk
All right.
this way, and then she was on her phone. She took off sprinting back.
Can I
to
get
her
a written
truck.
statement from you?
Yeah, I'll get my wallet.
All right.
So
You're good.
should I go to his house to make sure he wasn't with her?
He wasn't, but I'll get photos of the truck.
Want me to go to that house then? Probably not.
Nah. Yeah, I mean, she's walking by herself.
So you didn't hit anything. All right, where was he coming from?
Black truck coming from down there.
Yeah.
The motorcyclist coming from down there.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden the motorcycle was flying into the front.
Did the truck hit him?
Yeah.
Did the motorcycle hit your car?
Yeah, it got pushed into the daylight.
Okay, so you're involved
And
then.
then the truck.
Yeah, we've got her.
Did you see all this too?
That's 100% her. I didn't see her
Okay.
her truck in there, but
My partner's gonna grab a statement from you and I'm gonna run her back up to the street. My partner will be right back up with you, okay? Hey, so here's the deal, okay? I suspect you're under the influence of alcohol based upon the odor, your reaction, and everything you were talking to me, slurring your words, okay? Your eyes are dilated. It's a clear sign you're under the influence of alcohol or drugs, okay? Do you want to do any field sobriety test with us?
Yes.
You do? All right. Go on, step out for me.
Can you call my husband?
After everything's done. I'm not calling him right now. All right, I'm going to take these off, but if you run on me, we're going to have issues, okay? What's up with all these marks on your arm?
Well, Marks.
All these. From the airbag. All right, we're going to step over here in front of my car.
This is his car. He's technically involved because the truck pushed the bike into him. Long hair. Unit 1 pushed Unit 2 into Unit 3. Unit 3 is him.
Okay.
Old man in the tan coat maybe has a dash cam that maybe caught it.
Okay.
Hyundai right here is a nurse that stopped to give aid. This guy was looking left to see about turning in traffic, turning to go eastbound. The motorcycle went right past him. He was still looking left, and then he just saw it come flying back. I'm going to start getting witness statements for all of them.
You have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, or hurt me while we're doing this?
No.
Okay. Go ahead and turn around back at the window. Just get past you down, make sure you got nothing on you.
Can my husband take his vehicle?
Nope, we're towing it.
Everyone that I told had to stay, I'm going to be bringing you over one at a time to give me a statement as to what you saw or didn't see. After you do that, you can leave.
All right, go ahead and kick this foot up.
I'm taking his.
Don't kick you.
Yeah.
I'm not going to kick
Did
you.
I do anything for you to kick me?
Did I kick you?
Yeah, you did.
Okay, relax. Go around, turn around for me. All right, I'm going to run you through some tests. All right?
Sure.
I'm going to put my pen out. You got to look at the tip and the tip only. Okay?
Okay.
How much do you have to drink today?
2 drinks.
2 drinks? What time did you start drinking at?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock? Where were we drinking at?
Buffalo Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings? Okay, were they 2 small glasses, big glasses?
Short.
Short?
Yeah.
Okay, what'd you drink? Beer?
Yeah.
A
What's
beer.
your drink of choice? What type of beer?
A beer and then a shot of vodka.
What size? That big, 2 of those? Just 4 o'clock? And a shot of what again? I'm sorry?
Shot of vodka. I didn't say what of. Did you hear me?
I was asking you what.
I said a
what
shot
kind
of. Right? A shot of vodka.
Okay, that's what I was asking.
Double short.
Double short.
Or a double. And then a shot of Yingling. Or a tall Yingling.
So 2 tall Yinglings
No.
and a double shot of vodka.
I said, did I say 2 talls?
I'm clarifying. I'm asking you.
No, did I say 2 talls?
Lower your voice.
Let's just go through the test at this point.
Did I?
All right. Go ahead and put your feet together. Heels together, toes together, arms onto your side.
Sir, I'm going to get you first, and actually I can take you as well if you want here. I've written your name and all the information up top, so all I need you to do is write what you saw and what you did,
Okay.
print your current address, and sign where it says signature of witness. Can you do that for me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Follow my pen with your eyes and your eyes only.
I know you're trying to test for you, trying to test for an
HGM.
eye balance, and I'm not.
Horizontal gaze and nystagmus.
Yeah, I get it. I'm a medical student. I know it.
Okay. So you know exactly what I'm doing.
No, exactly. And I know I've approved that. While you're doing this, I haven't failed this.
Okay. If you keep arguing with me, we're going to terminate the test and you're going to go as a refusal. Okay? You need to cooperate with me.
Then I've passed this, right?
No. I'm not done. Let me go through these tests. Otherwise, I'm marking
I
you down
passed
as a
the visual
refusal.
test.
Feet together. Arms onto your side. Don't move from this position until I
Yes,
tell you
sir.
to do otherwise.
Yes, sir. Yeah, while you're shaking, right? He's shaking. He's shaking. He's shaking now.
All right. Are you going to cooperate during these tests or not?
I am going to cooperate.
Okay, one more out.
You already done one test.
One more and you're refusing. Okay?
You already did one test with the shaking.
Ain't I just ran
it's
after
cold?
you?
So I can't shake and it's cold? Oh, thank you. Is that what you said? Is that what you said?
You just keep acting
No,
like
go ahead.
you're helping yourself with the camera footage.
Are we done?
Yep.
One more outburst.
So that officer said that if this guy is cold, he's gonna shake. Thank you. Go ahead.
You just have to follow my pen.
Yeah, you got it.
Your eyes.
You got it. And that's what I did
understand?
in the first chat. Did
And
I
I'm
not do?
Despite suffering catastrophic injuries, Jackson miraculously survived the crash after emergency surgery was performed to repair a ruptured aorta that caused massive internal bleeding. He also suffered multiple broken bones and has no memory of the collision itself. Investigators later revealed that the suspect, Elizabeth, was facing her 5th OV1 offense within the last 10 years, resulting in multiple felony charges, including aggravated vehicular assault, felony hit and run causing serious injury, and resisting arrest. The body cam footage captures more than just a police investigation. It serves as a reminder of how quickly repeated reckless decisions can destroy lives, leaving innocent people to suffer the consequences in a matter of seconds.